The House of Commons of Canada is the lower chamber of the bicameral Parliament of Canada, which also comprises the Sovereign and the Senate of Canada. The House of Commons currently meets in a temporary Commons chamber in the West Block of the Parliament buildings on Parliament Hill in Ottawa, while the Centre Block, which houses the traditional Commons chamber, undergoes a 10-year renovation. The House of Commons is a democratically elected body whose members are known as Members of Parliament. There have been 338 MPs since the most recent electoral district redistribution for the 2015 federal election, which saw the addition of 30 seats. However, all 338 seats are currently vacant due to the dissolution of Parliament in anticipation of the 2021 federal election on September 20, 2021. Members are elected by simple plurality in each of the country's electoral districts, which are colloquially known as ridings. MPs may hold office until Parliament is dissolved and serve for constitutionally limited terms of up to 5 years after an election. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.